Virtual Teachers Day celebration. In our department, we celebrate Virtual Teachers Day, so its video is a part of Virtual Teachers Day. So let's begin. Okay, for the Virtual Teachers Day, I select the topic of White Tiger by Arvind Adiga. So, for the introduction, like White Tiger is written by Arvind Adiga and published in 2008. The White Tiger novel was also win the main Booker Prize in the 2008. It's the same year when it was published. So the novel is told in the form of letter by Balram Halwai to the Chinese primer Wen Jiabo. It traces Balram's journey from a poor villager and servant to a successful entrepreneur, achieved through the corruption and the murder. The story exposes Indian sharp divide between poverty and wealth, offering a dark, satirical critique of the social inequality and ambition in modern India. So basically, in this novel, also Arvind Adiga criticized the dark side of India. So about the Arvind Adiga, Arvind Adiga was born in 1974 in Madras. He also Indian Australian writer and journalist. He studied at Columbia University and Oxford University as well. Before becoming a novelist, he worked as a journalist in the Time magazine and financial journalist. His debut novel was White Tiger, which is most famous of his work. Also praised by many critics, also as well as criticized by the many people. So this novel won the main Booker Prize. So Arvind Adiga's works often explore the theme of class, struggle, corruption, and the contrast of modern India. His other books are divided between the Asian Nation and The Last Man in Tower and The Selection Day, which is published in 2016. So here the form and narration of the novel White Tiger. The novel is formed in an epistolary form, which is told throughout letters. The narrator was Balram Halwai, written to the Chinese premier Wen Jiabo. First person narration. This novel was a first person narration, a personal like a direction and confessional. A conventional tone with humor and irony, highlight the theme of poverty, corruption, class struggle, and globalization. Here are the all characters of the Arvind Adiga's novel White Tiger. First was Balram Halwai, which is the protagonist of the novel. So he was born in poor family in Lakshmangarh. He became a driver, then killed his master Ashok and rise as an entrepreneur in Bangalore. Second one was Ashok Sharma. He was a Balram's employee, educated in America. He belonged to the wealthy family. Third one was a Pinky Madam, Ashok's wife. She was a modern, outspoken, and unhappy in India. She leaves Ashok after an accident. Fourth one was the Storm, Ashok's corrupt father. The landlord all exploit villagers. The Mongoose, Ashok's elder brother. He was very arrogant, controlling, and cruel toward the Balram. Then Vikram Halwai. He was Balram's father, a rickshaw puller who died to tuberculosis, symbolized poverty and suffering. Then Kuzu, Balram's dominating grandmother who forced family to duty on him. Then Dharam, Balram's younger nephew. He brings back Balram's connection to his family when he moves to Bangalore. Vitiligo lives like another driver in Delhi who mocks and bullies Balram because of his lower status. The Buffel, a corrupt lone lad, one of the villagers for a great animal like the storm. The wild boar, another landlord, part of the village's exploitative system. The Raven, the last of the four great landlords of Lakshmangarh. Now, Ram Prasad, a driver working for Ashok's family, later dismissed when his secrets, being a Muslim, is exposed. Premier Wen Jiabo, the Chinese premier, to whom Balram narrates his life story throughout the letter. So this was a character which Balram write letter to him. So here I mentioned plot overview. Basically, I'm not tell through all the story, but here I mentioned plot overview. Like the story start with the Balram, who is the protagonist, is born in a poor family in the village of Lakshmangarh, Bihar. From a young age, he experienced the hardship of poverty and the rigid caste system. He is intelligent and ambitious, but circumstances force him to leave school early and work at tea shop to support his family. His early life exposed him to inequality, injustice, and the lack of opportunity for the unprivileged in rural India. Determined to escape poverty, Balram learns driving and becomes the chauffeur to Ashok, the son of wealthy landlord who has returned from America with his wife, Pinky Menon. Through the Ashok is kind and educated. Balram sees that he and his family benefit from a corrupt system that exploits servants. Balram's position as a driver introduced him to stark contrast between the lives of the rich and the poor family. Like while working in Delhi, Balram observed the corruption and the moral decay in politics, business, and society. Bribes, exploitation, and power struggle are common, and the poor remain trapped in what Balram's called rooster hole, the system where servants are loyal to their master despite being oppressed. In incidents when Pinky Madam accidentally killed a child, further awakens Balram's resentment as they realize that the wealth are indifferent to the suffering of the poor. Ambition and frustration drive Balram to a bold and violent act. Her murders Ashok one night while driving him with bag of bread, money and steal it. This act symbolizes his break from the oppressive roster copper and allow him to escape the life of servitude. Through morally controversial, this decision marked the turning point in his life, transforming him from a submissive servant into a self-made individual. While the stole money, Balram moves to Bangalore and starts his own taxi business, catering to Indians' emergency, middle class and class-centered employees. He reinvents himself as a wealth entrepreneur, full embracing the rule of the world he once served. Balram acknowledged his crime but justified it as the only path of freedom and success. By the end of the novel, he sees himself as a white tiger, a rare creature capable of escaping its cage and surviving in a corrupt society. So, this is the plot overview of the White Tiger novel. So, I mentioned some important themes which is Arvind Adiga used in his novel White Tiger, like class divide and social inequality. We find this in Balram's character as well as Ashok's character, like Balram who belonged to the poor family and Ashok who belonged to the wealthy family. Like corruption and moral decay, ambition and the desire for freedom, morality versus surveyor, globalization and modern India. So these are the things which is follow in the novel White Tiger by Arvind Adiga. Like I mentioned also one point, like a critical reception. Like many critics and many readers are also praise this novel White Tiger, but as well as some critic or some reader not like this novel also criticize because he shows the dark side of India. In this novel, he not praise India as well, but he criticizes. So, like critics praise Arvind Adiga for his bold, realistic, and satirical depiction of modern Indian society, especially highlighting the lives of the poor and unprivileged. Balram Halwai's first-person narrative was widely appreciated for its honest, witty, and ironic voice. which allows readers to experience the story directly from the perspective of someone born into poverty. The novel epistolary style and the dark humor were also recognized the effective tools for a social critique, while many reviewers celebrate the novel as a fresh and important contribution to Indian English literature. Some critics argue that it overemphasizes Indians' corruption and poverty, presenting a negative image of the country. Despite this, novels spark discussion about class, ambition, morality, and social inequality, and it's now considered a landmark work reflecting the complexity of the contemporary India. So, here the conclusion. The White Tiger is explored the poverty, corruption, and social inequality. In modern India, Balram Halwai's journey from a poor villager to a successful entrepreneur shows the cost of ambition and moral compromise. The novel is a darkly humorous social satire highlighting how courage and intelligence can help one break free from oppression. Here the references, and thank you. And also then in description I provide the quiz link which you have to appear, and also you get the certificate from that in your mail. So please check the description and get the link of the quiz, and please appear that quiz and get certificate. So thank you. This is from my side.